quick things today. Number one, the 10-year Treasury note hit its highest level in 4 years yesterday when it went over 3%. And as I'm preparing to come speak at Jerry's Follow the Money Summit at the end of May, I already have my graph made. I was going to talk about the 10-year Treasury and how to follow it and what it means to gold. But now it's already happened. We saw Caterpillar yesterday go down 6.2%. Stock market down on Tuesday, 500 points, is up down 600 at one time. And today, as I record this on Wednesday morning, the 25th of April, we see the stock market down another couple hundred points. So you've got to realize, as 3 or 4 weeks ago I did and showed you, as interest rates go up, gold is the only game in town. And from 2003 through 2007, that caused the economic crisis because they had to keep raising interest rates from 1.25% to 5.25%. I showed you what gold did during that 5 years, and certainly gold is about the only investment up this year, period, in the whole arsenal of investments, not certain individual stocks, but indexes. So yes, the interest rates are under pressure. The Fed is telling you they're going to raise rates more at the end of the year, at least one, maybe two more times, which is bad for bonds, sometimes bad for stocks when earnings are bad, and good for gold. And I see that continuing, not slowing down. The Fed has no other thing except to raise interest rates because no one wants to buy their debt, so they have to raise rates to bring buyers into the market. The other thing happening in the last 5 days is Russia's bought 300 tons more of gold. They now have more than China has officially. Now, we all know that's probably not true, but under official records, Russia now has more gold than right at 2,000 tons for both of them, when the United States still claims 8,163 tons that most people believe is not in Fort Knox. I really don't have any evidence either way. But what we'll know as soon as China starts their new currency, the yuan, backed by gold, and we will see very quickly what they have that they put behind it. If it gets up into 6, 7, 8,000 tons, that close to what the U.S. has, the U.S. probably does not have what they say they have because there's not that much gold on the planet Earth. So the two big things this week, and then I'll finish up with the third one, is interest rates are rising, good for gold, bad for bonds. Bonds are in a bear market. Get out of bonds, get into liquid cash or some into gold as soon as you can, because the Fed says they're going to raise rates. Russia's buying gold every month. They've now caught up with China in official holdings, and they'll continue to buy gold every month, as every central bank in the world is not liquidating gold, but they're either doing nothing or buying gold. And lastly, a premium question that came in, even though it seems elementary to most of you, it gets real confusing because telemarketing firms out there try to lock and call it spot price plus premium. And that covers their commission and the premium they pay to buy the product that you want. What I've always said is your price is spot price plus the premium I pay to a major wholesaler or a sovereign country plus commission equals what you pay. And right now, we have some incredible buys on both gold and silver. And remember, for the ones of you listening the first time, there is no one in the country that beats us on a round trip purchase. We charge you 1 to 3% to purchase, depending on what it is, how much you're buying, where it's being shipped, and all this. We don't charge for shipping and insurance, but it is determined in the price that we're selling to you. Now, when you go to sell, we charge you nothing. We have the lowest storage program in the world. Just think, major ETFs, SLB, GLD, have billions of dollars in it, and they're paying a higher storage fee than my clients. So if you've got something stored somewhere else, you want to move the lowest storage and cut your storage fees dramatically, call us, we'll tell you how to do it. We're still getting calls about how to set up a precious metals self-directed IRA. Call Dan or Kathleen or I, and we'll help you, walk you through that as to how you do it. Hope some of you, I'll get to meet at the Economic Summit with Jerry Robinson and Follow the Money the last weekend in May in Fayetteville, Arkansas. If you want to reach us about anything we've talked about, try 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812. With this week's Precious Metals Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing out.